Read code question number 47. Multiply strings. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given two non-negative integers, num1, num2, represented as strings. Return the product of nums1 and nums2, also represented as string. Let's check with example 1. num1 is 2 as string, num2 as 3 as string. So we need to return 2 multiplied 3, 6 as string. Let's check with example 2. num1 is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 0, 8, 8. How are we gonna solve it? Just change it to integer and then multiply, and then change it to the string. Yeah, that's also a way, but unfortunately we cannot do it. We cannot not use only built-in big integer library, and there are also converted input integer directory. So in this case, I'm gonna solve with multiply when we learn at the school, elementary school or the middle school. Did you remember the calculation of multiply? This one? In this case, we can get each digit to multiply and then sum. In this case, 3 multiply 6 is 18, so 18 is here, and then so finally we can get this value. And then 123 multiplied 6 is 738, and then 123 multiplied 50 is 6150, and then 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is 492, and then after sum 3 value, that is the value we're looking for. So we will use the same approach of this one. Okay, let's implement code. First we need output, and then second is A. I will make the value list A. So A has 0, and then length is length of num1 plus length num2. The reason is why I make the A is like that, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now is this one's 3, so 3, 3. So even multiply the bigger number, such as 999 multiply 999, the digit is the 6th digit. So this one is the enough size we calculate the multiply. So and then I will calculate it, put here the 738, and then next I will plus this one value, so this one is 6, 8, 8, and then finally I plus this one is going to here. So this one 0, this is 7, and then plus 9 is 6, and this is 5. So final value is same as this one. Did it make sense? Okay. And therefore I will increase index of this one. I in range start from the first digit. So this one is length nums1 minus 1 to 0, and then decrease 1 by 1. J also same. Okay, now we finish iteration and let's get value. Value must be integer num1I multiply integer num2I plus the previous number. Then is the previous value. If that is over the 10, we need to the shift for next bit iteration, next bit calculation. So at that time we needed to add a I plus j plus 1. Okay, let's check. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one is, now this one is, index is 0, 1, 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and plus 1 is 5. This one is correct. And then later we needed to implement the shift operation. So a 1 bit higher is I plus 1 digit higher is I plus j. At that time I will put value by the 10. And then next I plus j plus I, this is current digit. This one is just plus, right? And then this one is plus. No, this one is updated because we already added the current numbers to here. So in this case we just add value divide 10. And then after finish, there are one thing left. This one we needed to delete 0. How we gonna do? In this case I will use flag, name is 0 and start with true. So I will start the iteration in range, length of a. And then if ai is 0, is not 0, is 0 is skip, is not 0, actually 5, I will turn off 0 first. Okay, let me change. Is leading 0? 0 lead, 0 leading. Is it correct? No more 0 leading. So if 0 leading is first, and then I will put append a I. In this case this one is integer, so we need to change to character. And then finally, if let me error handling, if output is empty, that means that is the 0, right? So return 0 string. Otherwise return join output. Let's check the code. Invalid index. Okay, for I in range length a correct, and then if ai not equal, out of bound, 1. Oh, value is a little bit different. Okay, let's check one by one. This one is J. Okay, looks good. Okay, time complexity is this one is the length of num1 is the, let's say this one is the m, and then this one is the n, and then this one is m multiply n. So time complexity is O m multiply n, and then space complexity is O m plus n. Thank you.